Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. On my mandatory spirit that they call cut offside and football transfers. Come aside and they let us know say Arsenal and Man City are in talks for a potential swap deal with it between Cancelo and Kylian, because Cancelo get issue with Pep Guardiola, so they don't really want him there again because Bayern and don't say he don't get future for there. On the other hand, Kylian is unhappy at Arsenal and in the reason say he won't leave at the end of the season. So the reason saying go for maybe Man City or maybe Newcastle or any other club with the reason it matter. So Arsenal get an unhappy left back. Man City gets unhappy left back. So that's why the two companies say, okay, make I come give us now, make I give us our own, all those kind of level now, so that nobody will pay anything. So I'll never know how everything will go. On the other hand, Arsenal they think say maybe Man City will block the move at the end of the day. Maybe they don't really like say they want strengthen Arsenal because Cancelo is a better player than Kylian, both defensively and offensively. Any which you want to look at it, and it's very versatile. He can play right back, he can play left back, and he can play left wing forward. He can play in the midfield. So that is why he's a very important player. He gets so. We'll just watch how everything will end. I don't really know whether this deal will take place, but for cut offside to come let us know say now waiting to stop with this, then there's an atom of truth in it. So they're in talks. That one don't say that guarantee that Shola say go happen. After the talks, we will know the outcome. I don't know that I watch the Champions League match where they play yesterday. Man City versus Real Madrid. Where Man City knocked them 4-0. Man, Man City is the best team in Europe right now. Best team in the world right now. Then the Hawks. As in first half, 30 minutes, Real Madrid no see ball. You get Real Madrid no carry ball from their 18-goal Man City box 18. It was very difficult. Like the way you see that 3-2-4-1 formation where City they use now. That formation now only City and Arsenal they use them. Next season, don't be surprised, we'll see more people who come to use them because now Guardiola now formulates that formation and bring her. You get so it's exclusive to him and Ateta alone because they are caught from the same kettle of fish. You won't just see how it will be next season, but just give them their flowers. And they look that lineup, and they look the four players with them behind Erling Haaland. Everybody is a creative playmaker. Is it Bernardo Silva? Is it Ike Gundogan? Is it Kevin De Bruyne? Is it Grealish? These are the four players with they directly behind Erling Haaland. Any of them can make a killer pass. Any of them, all of them, the whole ball. Can you decide? Ball carrying midfielders, people in the whole ball, convert them, put them on the wings. Naturally, the Grealish don't be best people to play on the wings for you. He doesn't have pace, nothing, but that ball control, that holding ball, you get they're good at it. They're good. That's why Man City no one make Ike Gundogan come out. Before they give a 1 year contract, because they say he need long year after all done like 30 something, like 33. He need lengthy contract. Back at the offer at 3 years. Now this morning when I check news, Man City don't offer him lengthy contract now. They beg and make it no go again. So we never know how everything will end. So we'll just watch. Liverpool they set to allow 4 of their players leave at the end of the season without giving them a contract extension. One of them are James Milner, Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain, Naby Keita, and one other player again. I think it is Firmino. Yes, now Firmino they come say they won't come out also. What does that go to tell you? Everybody is looking for a way they will strengthen at the end of the season. It's in next season. Next season is going to be a banger. Nobody they can't play. Everybody wants strengthen so that they will cut the gap between them and Man City. Even also you say Manchester United is looking at selling up to 13 players. They want to leave as in sell. You know, it's possible to sell for this player, but at least you don't they open there say we have a lot of players for sale because Man City don't raise the bar so high. So everybody wants to sign superstar players now to match the fire and brimstone of this Man City. That is why this league is the best league in the world. You see next season, the race to top 4, it go mad because like 6 or 7 teams now will pursue top 4. Even the Jasmine, I bet that they call him the Arab man who won by Manchester United. You just give them a new bid. So even they look say, if they possibly say that Jim Ratcliffe, now you go buy Man U. So in the talk say in second option, if you know if you buy Man U, so you go buy Spurs. So imagine say that man go buy Spurs, but take money, bust everywhere, give them money to buy everything you want buy because the proposal when they give Man U, they say go buy Man U, go pay off their debts, go buy Mbappe. Already tell them people when you want bring, say money dey. So next season, people just say everything go happen. We now we don't get any babalo. We are just using our own cronky, the manager. Unlike Newcastle, Arab money. Liverpool self, before you know now, new owner go enter. The Man City, Arab money. You get, so look at all the things we are fighting against. You get, look at Chelsea. That one another powerful money man dey there again. So let's see everything go end. Our Brighton don dey set to sign Weston McKennie. You get, Baba dey on loan for Leeds. You get, I think he came from Juventus, so he will be going back. But Brighton dey say they would like to sign him, and not just him. They wan sign him. Come sign Mahmoud Dahoud. You get, that one na from Borussia Dortmund. They come from. He's coming as a free agent. You know, one renewing contract there. It's a very, very good defensive midfielder. So now, like for like from this Casado. So which means Casado, McAllister, they will be leaving because the Zerbi already talk and say yes, there will be big name people will leave. That's how we offer like 70 million for Casado. Nobody say they don't want collect or they don't want sell. They just feel say they pursue Europa League slots. Yeah, so they don't want to sell anybody for the summer. It goes easy for them to sell and replace players. So we'll just watch. You see this transfer window. Is going to be one of the most interesting, not just for Arsenal, yes, both Manchester United, both Newcastle, even Chelsea. When they say don't buy, they will still buy again. Yes, even Man City, when they say they don't get any, they will still buy again. Yes, everybody is strengthening because you see next season, you know, would they as easy as Man City team because a lot of people will come prepared. So I can't wait for this next season to start. Alright, so Bayern Munich under Thomas Tuchel don't come and second. They talk about Declan Rice. So Tuchel because they like Declan Rice, but the problem is saying there will be opposition from the English teams because number one, the guy in the family there for London, so it's not be easy. It's not easy to move your family come out for a city. Like me, your family dey London, maybe you can't dey Germany. Get it no go make sense. I'm only on phone now when they talk. So a lot of people know they like all those kinds of things. Now what they do Granny Xhaka now? In family say they won't go back to Germany, so you don't get choice. You guys move with them. Now we see some Arsenal fans don't understand. They say that Arsenal they for sure come out. Say the guy na senior man now. Why not they kick out? No. Now the guy say won't come out because the family they leave. He doesn't have a choice. Yes, you have to follow them because family is everything to a man. So that's just the way it is. Another news we hear from Catalonia and the fact say Barca need 178 million to offset their financial fair play troubles. Yes. So if they fit get that money now, they realize and through sales of players, then they don't get any financial fair play problem again. And they said that they won't bring in Messi. So what they hear from them, they say after their parade or they win the league with 4 games to go, they don't do boss parade all through their Catalonia and everything. So now they talk say this next week go they enter. Say Xavi go sit down with some players and let them know say he would like to sell them. And Ferran Torres did there, and Sufati did there, Jordi Alba did there, and one other player. So he will reason them. And not just them, there are many people there because they want to bring in Messi. And Messi said will command a humongous salary. And also then get some kind of debt so then get down. So and Frank Kessie they won't sell also. So more players will still add to that list. And why I bring up this thing because we are also interested in Ferran Torres because this guy once played for Man City before he can join Barcelona. He don't win the league title there, so maybe Arsenal will go there go rescue him because they need to sell for them to buy. It is what it is. Real Madrid never strengthened in a long time, so Real Madrid this summer now they are coming back with full force. They want strengthen. They get a lot of old guard, so themselves they won't buy confirm. They are going back from Mbappe from all the things why they hear. So they won't go break the guy transfer. They don't already get agreement with Jude Bellingham, so they won't sign up for the middle of the park. And they say they won't even consign Eliana because you know that Eliana has a release clause. Yes, even though Man City won't upgrade in contract, now they come out that clause, but Eliana no agree. So, but the thing is, nobody know how much that release clause is, but he has a release. Yes, even if that's 200 million, Real Madrid feel likely pay him. So let's just watch how this summer transfer will go. Alright, so and that's what one year we say the Mirror they let us know say Martinelli don't dey out of the season because he don't get ankle ligament injury. So we expect the guy to come back maybe during pre-season, make him go rehabilitation, make them treat him very well. Even Chris Whitley don't come outside. Now if first come outside let us know say Martinelli, Zinchenko and Saliba no go play the game against Nottingham Forest. Get so away from that, one year say Martinelli out of the season, Saliba out of the season, Zinchenko and even Odan are out of the season. But anyhow it go be, we don't get into the fight for again. We can't finish lesser than second. So anybody know say you know do okay, maybe just keep them out, maybe the guy don't go aggravate anything again. So that's what it is. At the present moment, we have 81 points. So I would like to surpass that 81 points to kill off all this Leicester City arguments. Say Leicester won the league. Leicester won the league with 81 points. We are 81 points now. We cannot win the league. So I would like to amass even if not 85. so that anybody would bring up that Leicester argument. They said we amassed more than the points they got. Yes, we couldn't win the league because why? Man City have raised the bar so high. So if you want to win the league, you need to be very, very perfect. You bring your perfection game. There's no room for errors. That's just the way the league is now. Very, very and highly competitive. So for those who know they are aware, Ivan Toney has been banned for 8 months. So now till January 16, 2024, now the guy come back on start to play football. As in a banner from all football related activities, training and everything. Just sit in your house and stay with your family for 8 months. Man, I don't say that 8 months they're huge, but I say because the breach when you do almost 260 something breaches of the rule. It no make sense, get. You will say you play ball, you call they do play betting again. You will say if you decide the outcome of a game. If you tell person say go bet, say I go collect yellow card and I will go collect yellow card, then the person go cash out. Get so you're not supposed to bet. Your family members are not supposed to bet. Coaches, staffs, all those things are not supposed to bet. But it is what it is. So the 8 months, Baba go collect that. So we'll see how everything will go. Why they bring up these things are because many Arsenal fans, including myself, I've already said Arsenal should be going for somebody like Ivan Toney who brings a lot of physicality to the field of play. But because of this betting scandal, that's why they hold off on my thoughts. They say, no, wait and see what in the FA will talk about a betting scandal. And lo and behold, 8 months ban. Get so everybody now with the reason the matter before will chill. Get nobody will look there. After 8 months away from football, only God know how the guy will come be. What does the word shot? About Sheffield United and Leeds United, the battle for Rob Holding, you get. So that one a good thing is because for the future, he no get place where I don't already talk about in the past and it is coming to fulfillment. You get say Rob Holding, you know the followers enter phase 4. So all the Sheffield United, Leeds United, may they come carry and make them they go. But at the end of the day, I know we're surprised. I think I still leave and there say okay, make it just the squad player. But for me, the guy will find square roots. We are entering a new beginning. You get phase 4 no be beans. You get so we are entering there, and I want to be seeing some kind of powerful names. You get which I will say Shaka they come out. You get so Shaka the first team member will come out. So we need another confirmed member first team player. We will slot in. You get what class? That's what I'm talking about. So let's just see how everything will end at the end of this. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And be out.